You've seen others requesting that they be excused, the men who come in white. And we hope the protocols, as we roll them out in the course of the week, we'll probably visit some of those issues and you'll not see those men in white again. And we may actually be able to release the bodies to the relatives to go and bury, and as long as they follow the protocols as advised.
Ni miario irierekereirio ni ndagitari Kuria uria niwe murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ya kuhe mwihoko wa Kenya aria magikorwo magikora giterenge-ini kia mundu wao gukua kumana na murimu wa COVID-19 mwihoko wa guthikaga mwendwa wao hatari guthutukanio ni muingi.
Finalized the revised protocols that are going to guide us in conducting burials moving forward. In fact, we are going to address this in the course of the week as we roll out the protocols. And we hope that since we've known that that body, once the patient has passed on, is actually no longer as infective.
Hari ithimi 2,668 andu 102 nio monekanite na murimu wa COVID-19 na rita ria mbere guku bururi-ini namba ya atumia na namba ya arume aria manyititwo ni murimu uyu kuiganana aria arume 51 na atumia 51 kuri namba ya arwaru irugameire arwaru 35,205 guku andu 80 makiona murimu uyu na gieri magikua kumana na murimu uyu.
All are Kenyans except 9 that are foreigners. In terms of gender, for the first time, there is an equal share of 51 for each gender. The youngest is a 1-year-old child, while the oldest is 86.
Gukinyaniria na riu andu 668 nio mari mathibitari-ini ni undu wa murimu wa COVID-19, andu 25 mari hatikaini guku andu 10 makiheo riera, andu 1,428 makiamukira urigitani kuma micini kaunti-ini itiganite, guku Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ikiuga namba ya andu aria marakoragwo ICU ni cokete thi.
The number of critical patients who are critically ill also. As we notice a decline in positivity, we are also noticing a decline in the number of patients requiring critical care.
Mutafariri wa mihang'o Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ ndagĩtarĩ Rashida Mana na ugite kuri na mwihoko wa ugwatania wa murimu uyu gukorwo gicoka thi uu ni kurumirira na mbere ya bururi ukoretwo kiandikithia ica ikuhi indi akiuga Akenya matiagĩrĩirwo ni gukorwo makiregeria mawatho maria magathikitwo ari kuotomia utheremia wa murimu uyu.
Kwanza zile manamba ambapo tunaona haswa katika masiku zile zimepita sasa siku 4 hivi ni numbers ambapo zinatupa confidence ya kwamba tuko katika the right direction.
Girifotera Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Wajiro wa Foro.